Hey Joel,
Yeah,
where do you work exactly?
I work in Montreal, bro, Canada.
Montreal, Canada. That's cool, man. Hey, what is the name of your company?
It's Brazers, bro.
Brazers. What the heck, man? You're the luckiest person on Mars.
Mars. This is Earth, man.
Yeah, I mean Earth. Yeah. Hey, bro, if I may ask, can I apply the same job?
Yeah, of course you can.
Hey, bro, then please tell me, no, what are the qualification requirements?
Qualifications. Nothing major, man. You need to get good biceps, six packs. Yeah, and of course, a beautiful face.
Hey, that's already checked, man. I'm a born beauty, like a gift from the heaven. My mom always tells me that. Hey, bro, that means I just need to get biceps and six packs, then I'll get the job, no?
Yeah, exactly. You can.
Hey, nice, man. Hey, wait a second, bro. You just told me I need to get biceps and six packs, but you don't have any. How come you got the job?
I'm a video editor, bro.
Bro, can I apply for cameraman?
Yohin.